Alright, y'all, we are doing a big chillin' segment right now. Maybe I ought to do this. Yeah, that works. What's up, everybody? We're here in Grand Cayman, and if you want to get out there and, show off, a camera or show off your life being in another place, I think you should do it. I just think vlogging is amazing. Vlogging honestly has changed my life. I can't tell you that enough. It has changed my life. I just want to say this, and I don't know where this is gonna go, but vlogging has changed my life. When I think back to last May, when I walked out of my house with the Action 5, I had just gotten the Action 5 Pro, and I walked out of my house and I was like, I'm gonna start vlogging. I'm gonna start doing this. I think I had watched probably a bunch of Luis's videos at that point. I started watching Chris a little bit, and I started just getting into, all of these vloggers that were doing the thing with action camera vlogging. And I did not know what it was going to bring. I did not know the joy and the hardship throughout the whole process. When I started, I had no idea what I was going to do. I just knew I had to create. I knew that I had to get out there and I had to do something, because this feeling inside of me was so strong that it was also crippling. It was like a double-edged sword, right? Where it was like, okay, I got this passion that I need to live out. But this passion is so intense that it's scary. One day I picked up the camera and I was like, okay, I'm gonna get the Action 5 Pro. I'm gonna do this thing. And I really have never looked back since. And I say all that to say, hold on, my back is itching. And you have just started, or you're thinking about starting, or you've been in the game for a bit, don't quit. Don't get hard on yourself. I know that's easier said than done. I'm hard on myself every time I feel like it's been a while before I put out a video or anything like that, or if I feel creatively blocked. But don't get hard on yourself, man. One of the biggest goals I've set out to do was just to start, right? And it's so easy to tell people, just start. And it's like, just press record. And I'm gonna keep saying that because it can be that simple. But then there's a whole process of actually filming yourself, editing, all of the things that come with it. And dude, shout out to everybody who has taught themselves how to do this thing, because this is hard. When you want to live this kind of life and creating, it can be hard. No matter what your end goal is, no matter if you have a goal or not, putting yourself out there in any sense of the matter is a hard thing to do. But I think it's a fulfilling thing. I think it's a thing that grows your character. It inspires other people around you, people that you are too scared to even say that they're inspired by you. You know what I mean? So that's what I want to encourage you guys to do, is just continue to press record, do your thing, get out there, and always have confidence in yourself. You might lack a little confidence here and there, but try to muster it, even for a few minutes at a time. That's all that it takes. And then you just continue to build on that. And I've talked about this before in a couple instances where it's just compound interest, one scene at a time. Film a tree, film some grains of sand, right? Film you sitting there, and then muster up the courage to say a word, a sentence. I've done it all, I feel like, and I'm still learning. I still feel like I haven't fully found where I fit here, but I found my community, and that is the biggest thing that I want to say, and that's what makes me emotional. Because when I think about all of you, when I think about this community, and I think about the friends that I have, the friends that support me and that watch my videos and I watch theirs, and we chat on YouTube, we chat on Instagram, we text, we FaceTime. I thank God so much for you guys, for this vlogging community. I'm joyful, man. I can't tell you how much, in my life, that I have worked so hard to feel joy again, just after things that I have worked through. There's just something deep about vlogging. There's just something deep about the act of doing it. It's not just self-serving. It's not just something I feel like I need to do for myself anymore. It's that if I don't show up for this community, if I don't show up watching, if I don't show up with a little video or a comment or a like, if I don't promote my vlogging friend, like, then I just feel like, what am I doing this for? You know, I know a lot of us have our own reasons, and this is not how I feel about vlogging, is not how everybody needs to feel about it. It's just what's truly changed my life. And what's truly changed my life is these tiny cameras, but just so much more is you guys. So this is my time where I'm big chilling and I'm just reflecting, and I think we all need to take that. And if there's anything that I can just offer you guys as far as like any kind of encouragement or advice or push you in any direction with this, is take the time to reflect. I'm learning from you guys. I'm learning how to persevere. I'm learning how to continue to show up. I'm learning to be consistent. This is the most consistent in anything that I've been probably in my entire life when it comes to something that I truly believe in. And I believe so much in it. And I believe so much in this community. In my mind, like, this community is going to pop off somehow, and somebody's going to be like, yeah, let's do a news story on them. Colin and Samir are going to come calling. Jack Conte from Digital Spaghetti. Somebody's going to mention what's going on in this community. When you bring people together who love and support each other and build each other up, there is nothing in this world that can break that and bring that down. Yes, we all have our own plans and our own mission and our own channels and all that, but there's something so beautiful about all of us doing a piece of the work, but it's building towards something even bigger. And I don't want to lose sight of that ever. And that's the whole reason why I started this. I don't want to lose being human. I don't want to lose showing up and meeting people where they are. I don't want to lose my creativity. I don't want to be crippled by my own anxiety. There's a lot of things that I tend to be scared of in this life. I don't want vlogging and being here and creating and making something and chasing a dream, even when I'm gonna be 35 years old, chasing a dream to one day be a director and make movies or whatever it may be. I believe that my gifts are going to be seen. Your gifts are going to be seen. God is going to make room for our gifts. Whatever you believe in, whoever you believe in, the one thing that I can say, because I believe in God and I love the Lord, and I am so grateful for Jesus in my life because it brought me you guys. I believe that. But whatever you believe in, wherever you are in your life, I want you to understand that you are loved and you're seen. And if you've been vlogging and I follow you and I watch you, I want you to know that I think about you, and I am so grateful for you, and I am sending all of my love and encouragement towards you. So even when you have your hardest times, you're feeling like, man, this isn't working, like, tag me in a video. I'll do my best. Like I said, we got to stay human, but also realize that we are only human, right? And Chris talked about this before when he said kind of initiate the house party effect, where it's like you can't talk to everybody and anybody at a house party, but you kind of go from group to group and you listen and you speak and you have conversation and you lift each other up, and then you moved on to the next group, you know. But tag me in the videos. Like, I want to be there for you. So that's it. I don't know. I just wanted to put this out there and say that I know vlogging is hard. I know creating is hard. I know starting a YouTube is hard. I know we're all out there every day trying to learn something new, start something new, show up in a different way, scratch the itch that we have. You know, look for the new camera, buy the new camera, use the new camera, learn the new camera, and move on and acquire more and grow more and be more and get more likes and get more subs and get more comments and comment on other people. The list goes on, guys. But at the end of the day, we're human, and all I want to do is show you love and show up with love. And that's it. So with that said, stay human. Love you guys. Peace.